Guys, wake up.
Mommy.
You guys gotta go to daycare.
At what time of school?
It's not school. It's better than school. We're going where?
Daycare.
Daycare? Yeah, come on, you gotta get ready.
It's better than school.
I don't know about that, Mom. I always wanted to go to school. Trust me, you don't. Anyways, I need to get your bags. I have everything ready for you guys to go to daycare. So, you guys ready? Well, let's go. Yep. Okay, you guys are here. Whoa. Okay, well, I gotta go, guys. Oh, it looks like we have 2 new people here.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Alice.
What's your name?
Jack.
Jack. Okay, nice names. Anyways, today, right now, we're just playing with our toys. And then, when you're tired, you just tell me. Or when you have a stinky diaper, tell me, okay?
Okay.
I'm just going to be sitting down in that chair over there if you guys need anything, okay? And no fighting. Play nice. Oh, hi. So you're Alice? Yeah, I'm Alice. This is my friend Abby, and I'm Samantha. Hi, Samantha and Abby. Do you want to play with us? Yeah. What are you guys playing with right now? We're just playing with some hoops. Like some rainbow hoops right here.
Yeah, these rainbow hoops. We're trying to figure out how to figure this puzzle.
Yeah, we're trying to put it in order, but we're not quite good at that.
We have one more.
Well, I know how to do this.
You
Really?
do?
Yeah. Let's do it together. Okay. Wee! This is so much fun. Okay, I want to play with the... Oh, hi. What's your name?
Jack.
Jack? My name is Zach. I'm going to play with the train if you want to play with me.
Yeah, I was about to just get the giraffe and put it on the train.
Okay, we'll get the giraffe and we can start playing with the train. There's someone else here. Hello, please come in. Hi, what's your name? My name is Isabel. Okay, Isabel, please come in. We're playing with toys right now, so you go ahead and play with all these other kids that are on the carpet. Okay. I'm gonna be sitting over there on the seat if you need anything. Okay.
Hi.
Hi, I guess.
What's your name?
Isabel.
Isabel, do you want to play choo-choo change with us?
No.
Okay. Oh no.
What is this? What's in this bag? Guess it's nobody, so let's open it.
Boop, 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 beep, beep, boop.
What? A big blanket, some toys, food and toys, and a pillow, and soup!
Ow! What was... my bag!
This and this.
Ow! Something just... What? This is all my stuff! Who did this?
What happened? Oh my god, whose stuff is this?
This is mine!
Why is it all over the floor, sweetie?
I didn't do that. I think it was Isabel.
Isabel, sweetie, did you do this? What? Did you make this mess? Maybe? No? Sweetie, I need to know. Yes, I did. Why did you go through his bag? I thought it was just a bag. Well, you need to help him clean this up and put it back in his bag. And do not open no more bags without asking, please. Fine. Thank you. Don't be rude, please. Put all the stuff back, I guess.
And my brush.
I finished.
Thank you.
Now I don't know what to do. I don't know, guys. I need to tell you something.
What?
I went potty. Oh no, go tell her. Okay, I'll be right back. Don't do it without me. I went potty. Okay, let's go to the diaper station. Okay, go right here so I can change your diaper. Okay. That was not nice of her. Why would she do that?
That was my stuff, and Do you like soup?
Yeah, I like
Tomato or?
I like carrot soup. Oh, I'm tired.
Let's go tell her because we did a
There's
lot
only
of
one
stuff.
bed.
Okay, I'll just sleep on the floor.
Oh.
I brought a blanket.
Okay, you're all done. Thank you, Mrs. Apple. Of course.
What's her name again?
Her name is Apple.
Oh.
Mrs. Apple. Yes. I'm tired. Okay, let's
And
put you in
I
the
am
bed.
too, but I brought a blanket.
Okay, who wants to go in the bed?
I'll sleep on the floor.
Okay.
Because I brought a pillow and a blanket.
Go in there.
Okay, Miss
There you
Apple,
go.
I got my blanket and pillow.
Okay, we can put you right
It's a
here.
really big.
I believe your mother should be coming any minute.
Okay, I'm going to close blanket.
Are you guys okay? Yeah, we're good. We're just talking. Okay,
Yeah.
what are you guys having for lunch? When you go back with your mommies?
Oh, I'm going to have pizza with some Milky.
I'm gonna have spaghetti with
Ooh.
apple juice. Really? Yeah, it's so good. My mommy makes the best spaghetti. I don't know what I'm gonna have.
For snack, when I'm done with food, my mom said I could have favorite chips, Lay's.
Ooh, those are some good chips.
And I'm going to get more Milky.
Good. Guys, I'm here. Oh, hi. Which ones are your kids? Alice and Jack. Yes, Alice, Jack, your mother's here. Oh,
Mommy.
hi.
Mommy.
Bye, Mrs. Apple. Bye-bye. I hope you had fun. I had so much fun.
Oh, sister, don't forget about your bag.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even use it because I was having so much fun.
Yeah.
Bye,
friends.
Bye, guys.
I hope we meet again.
Me too. Bye.
Give me a hug.
Huggies. Huggies. Girl hug. Bye, guys. I had so much fun with you guys. We did too. Bye. I hope I come again. You will, sweetie. You will. Let's go. What are we having for lunch? We're having rice with chicken. Oh, we're having rice and chicken, guys. Oh, that's so good. Yeah. Okay, bye, guys. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. Bye.